Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5-liter turbo engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated ventilated seats, as well as a panoramic sunroof, navigation, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom. You got your power liftgate controls right next to your seat memory, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent. You have these power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats, comfortable. And left side will be your vents as well as your lighting control there. And left side is steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, heat steering wheel, and lane keep assist. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot with Chevrolet Maps Plus, and you can access your front, rear, 360-degree camera and the surround vision. Dual zone climate controls on the bottom with 2 USB ports and an SD card reader, as well as wireless charging with your all-wheel drive there. Shifter and the cup holders with extra storage inside. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, same finish. Chrome accents, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and panoramic sunroof. So you got these 19-inch aluminum wheels on Bridgestone Blizzak tires with the chromed mirror caps, and the body style keyless entry door handles, luggage side rail up top, deep tint rear glass in the back, the black bow tie here. With the power lift gate, you got your weather mats, as well as a 60/40 rear folding split seats, as well as extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage, thanks to speaker and the power windows. Chrome accent there. Hop to the back, pretty decent legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear vents, rear heated seating, USB, and an AC wall port on the bottom. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. Okay, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Equinox Premier, equipped with a 1.5-liter turbo engine, as well as heated ventilated leather seats, panoramic sunroof, navigation, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.